Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got a haul, if you want to call it that, from Sephora. I got a couple of items from Sephora, and in the meantime, I got a bunch of free stuff. My birthday is a week before Christmas, so when I sign up for different things, sometimes I don't tell them my real birthday because I don't need deals at Christmas time. There's already a million deals at Christmas time. So I'll just say different months. April, May, June, maybe August, whatever. So then I can get deals throughout the year. So Sephora, I don't even know. I think this is in June that I got this my birthday email. So they give you points. I think it's 250 points that you can spend on a birthday gift, or you can keep the points and add them to your points already. And I did have some points piled up. So I got a few things, but I'm going to start off with telling you what's on my face. I have on the Winky Lux Latte Kitten palette. That's this one. And this smells like coffee. It's really very pretty. Oops, very, very mild, very pretty palettes. I believe I got this in Boxycharm. I don't know. I don't remember. And then I have on this lippy, this is Yves Saint Laurent, and this is, I got in Allure, I know that. This is, does it have a color name or is it just one of those with numbers? Let's see, I've got my, I know we had to pick it, Rouge Volupté Shine. So anyway, it's gorgeous, the packaging is gorgeous. And then this is it. It's more like a gloss than a lipstick. Feels great on. More like a gloss. Gorgeous packaging. So that's what I have on. And so I had some points and they gave me the choice of, getting some, something with my birthday points. So I did do that. When you order from Sephora, if you're a member, I am a member, but I hardly ever buy anything from them. They still give me free shipping. So I'll be happy to take it. So also they let you choose 2 free samples. So the pickings on the samples are slim. They're usually foil packets now, and a lot of them are foundation. I don't wear liquid foundations. So I chose these 2 items. This is Shayna Darden, which is a great skincare line. This is Retinol Reform, smooth, fine lines, firm and brighten. So that's that. And I have had some Shani Darden skincare before that I love. So I thought I might as well try that. And then with the other choices, I ended up getting Kate Somerville, which I have these foil packets. This is Exfoliate. And there's enough in here for 1 or 2 applications. So I may not use this, may go in a giveaway, just something that I throw in a giveaway. So with my birthday points, I got this. This is from Kosas. It says Sephora Beauty Insider on it. It's a free gift, not for resale. And look how cute it's just packaged, so cute. So cute. It says happy birthday, joyous anniversary. I really like on Sephora, I like their Sephora favorites, but they haven't had any that are reasonable, and they also haven't had any that are, anytime I look, they show them, but they're all sold out. So this is what's in here. This says Kosas Air Brow Clear Lifting Treatment Gel. So that'll be for my eyebrows, and it's clear. And I just opened another one, so this will be around for a while before I use it. I may put this little gift in a giveaway. And then we have the Wet Lip Oil, and that's very beautiful. Look at how their packaging is very pretty. It's like a lucite and very pretty neutral. And does it say the color? It says it's a plumping treatment gloss in unbuttoned, soft warm blush, unbuttoned. So that's a cute little set. So I got that for free because they think it's my birthday. So there you have it. So I don't know that you can just order this and get it free shipping, so I feel obligated to buy something. So that's what I did. And they had a special, if you bought anything of Sephora's brand, then you would get 4 times the points. So I did that. I bought one thing from Sephora, and this is their foot mask. Quenching and relaxing, this one is. It is lavender extract. And I have had their foot masks before, and they're very nice, so I thought I'd get that. And I think that was $5. A little expensive for a foot mask, but they are nice. They're, you know, better. They're really good quality. They seal on your feet, and you know, some I've gotten where they don't even have an outer bag to them, like at the dollar store, you know, and so this is nice. And then I decided, you know what, I'm gonna go all out and treat myself, y'all. Okay, so looked and looked and looked and looked. I don't need anything. I get so much stuff in boxes. I'm like, well, what do I need? What do I need? What do I need? Anything I needed, I didn't, you know, I looked and I didn't like the pricing or whatever. So I saw this, Pat McGrath Labs. I like this palette, and I have been wanting this palette for a while because I see it when I open Sephora. I see it if I open Pat McGrath, you know, see it on, you know, different platforms. So this is, the palette itself is $39, but Sephora doesn't sell it separately. You have to get this kit. This is $50. A lot for me to spend on myself. If I was in England, I could get that palette, but separately. So this says it's the Midnight Voyage Jet Set Eye Kit. Firma Precision Liquid Eyeliner, a mini eyeshadow palette, and palette's something that I can't read. Okay, so it does say it's a mini palette, and I didn't know that. My fault for not reading, I suppose. I don't return things. I'm not a returner. I'm not good at returning. I'm going to return this. Wait till you see it, because you will. I about fell to the floor. All right, first of all, it's their Fetish Eyes mascara. That's very nice deluxe sample size. There is also Pat McGrath Labs, of course, that's what it is. What does this say? This doesn't have any more markings on it. I have an eyeliner right now that I'm using from Pat McGrath that looks just like this, so it probably is the same. It is the Perma Precision liquid eyeliner, and that to me looks like a full-size item. Okay, and then there is this. Okay, this is the palette. Very beautiful packaging. When I took this out of this box, I about fell over. What do y'all think? $50? No way, Jose. No way. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I thought the size was. My fault. I mean, I don't know that they give dimensions on a makeup website, but you know, the Huda Beauty, the Il Maquillage, I'll show you the back because it's too, this is what I thought it was going to be, like this sized, okay? So this is what it is. That's how big it is. $50. Well, you got those other 2 items, but no, I can't afford that. I can't do that to myself. I can't do it. So I'm going to return it. So I'm filming this to show you. It's super duper cute. Would be great for travel, but even at $39, I would not pay that for this. I can't. If I got this in Ipsy or Boxy, I would love it. But I can't. So I'm going to show it to you. There's a mirror on one side. There is a screensaver, a color saver. It is very beautiful. It's very beautiful. But I have these colors left and right, and I'm not paying $50 for this little set. I just can't. I can't do it. So I did ask a few friends about, do they take returns, and they believe that they do. So I am returning it. And I did look at returning it, and it says that they want to take back these samples because I got a ton of samples. So we'll see what happens with all this. I'll let y'all know, because The only reason I bought this was to get all the samples because I had points and Rakuten. I got something free because of Rakuten. So let me show you what I got. I'm excited. This is the Amica Perk Up Dry Shampoo. I love the shampoo. I take this with me when I travel. And I have one going right now. It lasts a good while, and it's one of my favorites. So I got that. That's free. That was, I think that was 100 points. I had quite a few points piled up. Trying to remember how many points I had. This was 100 points. This is Silwasu. This is the Essential Comfort Firming Cream. Excellent Korean brand. I have this, actually I have this going right now. It's super duper cute. It's very nice cream. This is one of those with those little false bottoms, but it's really nice cream. This stuff is highly prized. Maybe it's Japanese. I think it's Japanese instead of Korean. I think it is. This is like the most famous brand of skincare in Japan, I think. I believe that's correct. And this was 250 points. So, and I am really surprised by the size of these. This came together. This is a Pureology brand, and it is blonde shampoo and conditioner. I've got the shampoo and I've got the conditioner. Blonde shampoo is usually a purple shaded shampoo that helps take away brassiness from your blonde hair and bring out the blonde. You can also use that kind of shampoo on gray hair, which is what I have. I know this because I used to be a blonde. So I was really surprised at these large sizes. I think these are great. And then I got this for 100 points. Super excited about this, y'all. This is Natasha Denona. This was 100 points. And it's just one shade. It says that it is golden eyeshadow palette. The shade is Oro, O-R-O. It is super pretty. It's, their typical type of beautiful packaging, the plastic, gold trim, and it's a beautiful gold shimmer. And let's swatch it. So it's gorgeous. It's just what I love. I love gold. So it's very beautiful. You can see it. Very pretty, very pretty. Could go with lots and lots of things. I love it. That was a fun thing to get. Super fun. Not the kind of thing you can just buy because you can't. And then with my Rakuten, I got this for free. This is Peter Thomas Roth, and this is Instant Firm Glow Filter Priming Serum. So Peter Thomas Roth has skincare and hair care, and he's got some fabulous stuff that'll take wrinkles right away. And this is called Instant Firm, so I'd have to look that up. I did get that one time. I got a full size of that one time. Where'd I get it? Anyway, I gave it to a friend that really wanted it and loved it. And it was all the rage on Instagram and TikTok at the time. I don't know if this is the same thing, but I'm gonna find out because I'm gonna use it. So we'll see. So I got a lot of great stuff for free. And I don't buy a lot of things. Some of the ladies, they shop at Sephora. I don't. I promise you I don't. But if you buy anything a little bit of here, a little bit there, I get my dry shampoos. Sometimes I buy from Ulta, depending on what they have going on free. I don't think Ulta gives me a birthday gift. I could be wrong. So this, y'all, is going back. Hopefully I won't have any trouble. When I looked it up, it looked very easy. You print a label and put it back on the original packaging and send it back, and then they'll give me a refund. They said they did not want the other stuff, and I did pay for this. I feel bad. Well, I mean, I was feeling bad about it because how can I keep all this stuff? But when I think about it, it was with my points that I made. I made these points so these are free gifts that should be mine. Okay, I feel better already. Thank y'all for talking to me about this. Anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by and seeing what I got from Sephora. And let me know your thoughts on this, y'all. Gorgeous packaging. I love it. It's gorgeous. But this would have to be the most, probably $30 is what I would pay for this kit. And I'd want that palette to be $20. So it would have to come in Boxycharm for me to keep it, because Boxycharm, we don't pay full price. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.